Hey, Andrea. My name is Lee Turbianic. I spoke with you directly about a week and a half ago. Um, I was doing some research in your area and came across your Circling website, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can do today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how we can help your business grow, give me a call, we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Just take the tips that I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask for is some feedback on the video. Let's jump right into it, brother. The 3 major things I want to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. So content is anything that is written on your home page. So you do have a nice little site here. I like your logo. Your service tabs are a little misleading at this point. Usually you'll have a home, about us, and then your services with a drop down menu of all your services that I did see listed. You had like crime scene cleanup and a bunch of them, but you'd want a page for each of those with keywords for each service, and we're going to touch base on that. And then you could continue to have where we work, but this would be your location service areas, and then per each service area you would have keywords for with those locations. I'm going to show you that too. You can keep these, pay your bills, but it just makes it easier to tell Google what you are, and that's just the standard heading. The second thing is I do not see a contact form on your homepage here. So I do suggest getting a quick contact form submit with your name, address, and then message so they can convert into clients quickly. Now as we scroll down, you do have some content here, some before and after pictures, some content, some more content, some more pictures and content, some reviews. I don't see a map anywhere, site map. Your socials link, that's always great. But a couple things that could use some help. Now, that's okay. So you have about 500 words of content on this homepage, but I'm not seeing many keywords bolded and lit up, and I'm going to show you great examples of that. but I just did a quick search for crime scene cleanup, Miami Beach, Florida, acting as if I was a general person, didn't know your company, didn't know anybody, and I'm looking for somebody for the job. Now, crime scene cleanup, I know that is a huge job for you guys. So as we scroll down, I don't see you listed anywhere, but I do see Aftermath in first place. So let's see what kind of content they have. So Aftermath, they have a bunch of content here on their homepage, some testimonials, more content, but nowhere near the 1,500 words that Google likes to see. So Google likes to see 1,500 words. Now you got to think Google's just a crawling website. All it can do is read. So if you don't tell Google exactly what you want to be found for and have enough information for your clients, it's likely not going to rank you that high. That's why you see Wikipedia always in first place for a lot of things, because it has a ton of content, ton of information, everything anyone could ever want and know. So let's go back to this crime scene cleanup search. Up top, you're going to see ads. I don't really focus on ads because these aren't quality leads coming in. You might pay 10 times the amount of cost per click before you get one solid lead from it. So I want to focus on this middle section, the GMB or Google My Business, and this bottom section, which is the organic section, which is your website. Now you're probably wondering, hey Lee, how do I rank in this map pack? Because I don't see you guys on this, which is 40% of all clicks come from this section alone. So Miami Biohazard and Crime Scene Cleanup is in first place. And what ranks you in this section is citations. Now a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web, like the Yellow Pages, ZX, CityStar, Facebook, BBB. So I put CertClean Corp in there just to see how many citations they had to gain that second spot. As you can see, they have 15 citations. That's basically nothing. Best part about this tool is we can see where. Now look, they have Bing, and these are all submittable. We can grab these for your business. Submittable, BBB or Bing.com, BBB, Alignable, Chamber of Commerce. Now, as you can know, Bing is very well known. It's going to transfer some good power. BBB, well known. Alignable, kind of well known. Now as we get down here, VY Maps, unheard of, not going to really transfer as much power. So we want to get all those big, well-known ones, even Facebook, YouTube. That's why it's important to have all your socials linked, because they give you a citation source as well too. But so that's citations. Now the second and or third and most important thing is the organic section down here. And what ranks you down here is a backlink. Backlinks are when one website links back to your website. So the more backlinks you have of other websites pointing back to your website, the more power you'll have in Google's eye. It's like a voting contest. So Google says, oh, this guy has all these websites linking back to him. He must be important. He must be doing something, right? Let's put him at the top. So as you can see, Aftermath.com is in first place. Now I have another tool I use called WhiteSpark CA, and I plugged in your guys' site up here, and this shows me you do have some good scores. You have 967 backlinks coming from 225 domains, but only 62 of them are powerful. You have 119 keywords, but you're only getting 5 traffic to your website. That's not ideal right now. Your competitor is Aftermath.com. They have a little bit better score. They have more backlinks than you at the moment, but they're not unbeatable. But look at their traffic and look at their keywords that they're ranking for. That's why it's very important to get this SEO done so you can get up above them. And this is just for one keyword. So we would dig through all of your services, find all those keywords. And to give you an example of what we would do, here's a beautiful site we just built for a plumber out in Woodland Hills. Well, his main keyword was plumber Woodland Hills. So we wanted it in a heading. And as you can see, all his services listed. Each service is a separate page with the keywords revolving around plumbing repair or water heaters. All his locations he wanted to target. Each has a page that will rank separately in that area. Quick to call form. But here's the keyword stuff. Woodland Hills Plumber. Woodland Hills. Woodland Hills Plumbers with the S. Plumber Woodland Hills. Plumber Woodland Hills. So you're telling Google, and even saving a picture as it as well too. You always have a name for a picture as you save as, so you want it maybe Woodland Hills Plumber. You're telling Google my pictures are Woodland Hills Plumber. It's in my content. It's bolded. This is what I want to be found for. So to wrap things up, the first thing we talked about was content. 1,500 words on your homepage to fit all those important keywords throughout. Second thing was citations. Your name, address, and phone number listed in directories. Get you up in this map pack. Third thing was backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that your business is the authority and that you should be on this first page. So if you do all this, you could easily take over this first page for all those keywords. We could beat out these guys, and I would love to show you a game plan of exactly how to do it. Just feel free to reach back out. Shoot me a text, 570-240-5257. My name is Lee, and I'd love to help you guys out with this. Thank you for watching. God bless.